Hi, I am K. Sridhar, studied in Ashankara Institute of Technology. I am explaining about subject is mobile application development. This topic is Android overview. Mobile application. An application that runs on a mobile devices. Types, web apps, native, run on web browsers. Examples HTML, JavaScript, Flash, server-side components, etc. Native, compiled binaries of the devices of make use of the web services. Mobile device advantages. Always with the users typically have internet access, typically GPS enabled, most have cameras and microphones, many apps are free or low cost. Disadvantages of mobile devices: limited screen size, limited battery life, limited processor speed, limited and sometimes low network access, limited input, phone keypad, touchscreen, symbols, etc. Limited web browser functionality, range of platforms and configuration across devices. Why Android app development? Why Android app? Transferring app to phone in travel can distributed by putting in the web. Android market now Google Play or Viber distributions. What is the Google Android? A software stack for mobile devices that includes an operating system, middleware, key applications. Uses Linux to provide core system services, security, memory management, process management, power management, hardware drivers. Android apps built using Java and new SDK libraries. No support for some Java libraries like Swing and AWT. Java code compiled into a Dalvik bytecode DX. Optimized for mobile devices, battery memory management, battery utilization, etc. Dalvik VMS runs docs files. Applications write in Java. Good separation for the applications. Each application run its own process. Each process has its own separate VM. Each application is assigned a unique Linux user ID. By default, files of the applications are only visible to the applications. Android architecture. Application frameworks, libraries, Android runtime, Linux kernel. This diagram. Activity Manager, lifecycle navigation within the among applications, content providers, encapsulated data. Location Manager, aware of the physical locations. Notification Manager, user information about events. Package Manager, info about the plan packages. Resource Managers, let's plan accesses into the resources. Telephony Manager, to learn about the devices. Telephony services. View system, manages UI elements, events. Window Manager, perform window related operations. Free type, for bitmap and vector front renders. Library, standard C system library. MediaTek framework, support many audio video format, image files, playback recording. OpenGLES, for 3D graphics libraries. SGL, 2D graphic engine, scalable graphics libraries. SQLite, provides lightweight RDB engines. SSL based on security for the NW communication. Surface Manager, manages access to the display subsystems, 2D and 3D graphic layers. Application components. Activities, visual user interface focused on the single thing a user can do. Services, no visual interfaces, they run the background. User select as a song through an activity and the separate services is started. Broadcast receivers, receive and react to the broadcast announcements. Battery life, time zone changed, etc. Content providers, allow data exchange between the applications. Activities, basic component of the applications. Most applications have several activities that starts other needed. Each is implemented as a subclasses of the based activity classes. Activity, the view, Each activity has a default window to draw in. The component of the window is view or group of views. Example of views: button, text field, scroll bar, menu item, checkbox, etc. View group made invisible in the method. Services does not have a visual interfaces, run in background identifiably. Example: network download, playing music, TCP UDP servers. You can bind to an existing service and control its operation. Broadcast receivers receive and react to the broadcast announcement. Extend the class broadcast receiver. Examples of the broadcast: low battery, power connected, shutdown, time zone changed, etc. Other application can be initiated. Broadcasters, content providers make some of the applications data available to the applications. It's only way to transferring the data between the applications in the Android. Extent of the classes: content providers. The applications using the content resolve object to access the data provides viewing the content providers. Thank you.